Hi, welcome back to my channel, and I'm heading towards the area where it's supposed to have the main fireworks in Helsinki. There is also a scheduled concert of various artists, including the one that is known for its song Bada Bada Vastu. So let's go and see how our New Year night goes in Helsinki. So this is how it looks like, and you will be hearing fireworks all the time, and there are so many taxis because obviously there's like a whole bunch of people tonight outside and they would need rides back home. And we're finding the Uri library, it's where it's supposed to have the main fireworks, so let's go. It's quite cold, and actually it's minus 14 degrees Celsius right now, so yeah, it's very cold. So I've put on my hood because it's so cold, and this is kind of a good protector. I'm right in front of Udi Library and I can already listen to music. It's so hard to talk, and I'm, by the way, making videos by taking out my gloves, so you know I'm doing so much. You guys better like this video. I'll show you how it feels like. There's a concert happening over there, and that's where we're headed. am witnessing such a chaotic traffic jam in Helsinki, Finland, because I've never seen cars stop for such a long time. Maybe because this is the first time I'm witnessing New Year in Helsinki. Yeah, so that's how it is. It's jam-packed, neck to neck. People are walking at snail's pace. But it's the spirit of New Year, isn't it? In a restaurant after an ordeal of finding restaurants because everything closes very early, as you know, and it was way past bedtime tonight, so we couldn't find any cafe other than the usual McDonald's, Burger King, the ones that we keep on going. So Turkish restaurant that was open, and there were a lot of people inside, so we decided to just get in, and I have ordered pizza for myself. The place was so full that it was really hard to get a place, but luckily we got a spot and now we're sitting inside. And yeah, I'm waiting for my order. I ordered myself a margherita pizza and some nuggets and a plate of chicken kebab with fries. So let's just hope that the food is tasty to cover up for the chilling, stone cold environment that we've been facing finding our food. So yeah, I hope it's worth the wait. Food is finally here and it looks really tempting. These are the fries and the kebab and the salad, and this is the yummy pizza that I ordered for myself, and I've ordered some chicken nuggets as well. So yeah, oh my god, so worth the wait. It is exactly what I wanted. A pure tomato margherita pizza. My favorite pizza flavor. Very crispy. It's just melting in my mouth. So yum. This was the New Year's Eve in Helsinki. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlog, and I'm coming back with another vlog. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notifications bell. Until then, take care of yourself, and I wish you a really, really happy New Year. Take care. Bye.